You know what? I have to say, wow. This Pictory feature blows my mind. Hey, if you want to find out a bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now here we are at Pictory. Now I just want to let you know that this feature isn't new, but I've only really just discovered it in the last few days. So let me have a look and show you which one it is. It's this one here, edit video using text. If you want to understand what that actually means, think 𝗬𝗁𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗏. This is very similar to 𝗬𝗁𝗂𝗧𝗏, where you can edit a video using the actual text. What it does, it creates a transcript, and then what you have to do is edit the transcript, and that then edits the video. Very much like what happens in 𝗬𝗁𝗂𝗧𝗏, except in 𝗬𝗁𝗂𝗧𝗏 you also get the option of adding an overdub if you wish to. So allow me to show you what we can do here. I'm just going to click on this section just here, and I already have a video that I want to be able to do. So I'm just going to quickly bring that up. Recording always everything always takes a bit slower when it's recording. So I'm just going to drag that straight into here, and then we're just going to go there. And in just a moment, it's going to then create a transcript of the video. And then once done that, we're going to start to edit the video. Now we're just going to hit proceed, and then we will continue with the editing feature. Okay, so we're back. What we need to do is have a look at what it does here. If you scroll down, you can see it's got these little dots just here. And each of those little dots is just a bit of a pause in the video. So let's have a quick look at what this is like, and we'll get to this point here and we'll see what that's like. And as you can see, there are other dots in here, and those dots indicate that they're an area that needs to be removed. So what we need to do is, you can actually choose to do here, remove filler words. So if there's any filler words you want to get rid of, it can do that there. Or it can remove silence. Now this is a really, really easy way of doing it. Just going over here, remove silence, you click on that. And then you can choose how long you want the silence to be removed from. Say for example, you want 1 second, you can do that. Or if you have longer pauses that you want to have, it can be like 3 seconds. And we can just go, okay, I'm going to leave it at 2 seconds and see what that's like. Let's press play and we'll see what this is going to sound like. So start from the very beginning. It will take a few seconds to load in, so bear with it for a second or two. It also leaves captions there if you wish to have the captions as well. So have a quick look at this.
Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 free vector sites that you can use with commercial use for your coloring books. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe.
As you can see, it's a little bit glitchy, but that's because I'm recording right now. It doesn't normally do this when you're doing it without recording. So just be aware that it is glitchy because I'm recording. So I apologize for that. Let's keep going until we get to at least this point here.
How about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Now the first site we're at is called...
Okay, so as you can see, there is something there. So we don't need to worry about wiping that out. So we can go down here, see if there's any longer pauses just here. It's looking like there might be a pause just there. Let's click on this section here, and we'll just play it from here, and we'll get to this one here. We'll try and see what happens there. We can go play.
And that's fair. So you can...
As you can see, there was quite a big gap there. I can actually remove that. So to do that, I can choose to keep that other one, which I do choose to keep. But if you want to be able to do it individually, all you really need to do is click on that, and then left click, and then highlight over the top of those dots there. And then you can then go delete from video. It'll just create this symbol for you. And if you want to be able to put it back in, say you're not happy with that and you want to leave it there, you can just click on that and it'll open it up so as it puts it all back in there for you. Or you can make it easier for yourself and just remove the silence and then go through all the silences that it's removed and decide on whether or not you want to keep something, which might be the faster way in which you can do it. And you might want to go through here and have a look at what it is you've got here and decide, oh yeah, no, I want to keep that section just here because, or I want to remove this section right here. So I'm going to remove that section right there by left clicking and dragging it across. And then I can also just hit the delete button if I wish to. By hitting the delete button, it also puts that little symbol right there. And if you want to, you can put that back. So really, you can scroll through, have a look. And if there's other ones, you might want to maybe make that more than 1 second. So go like that, and it will then start removing gaps in a lot more spots. And this is very, very similar to what you would get in 𝗬script. But with 𝗬script, you do have the advantage of using overdub if you want to. And that's one of the beautiful parts about 𝗬script, is it does give you the overdub. And I have to say, 𝗬script does have much, much better voiceovers if you're wanting to use voiceovers. I love 𝗬script's voiceovers. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video on 𝗬script's voiceovers alone. Then you'll be able to see the voiceovers from 𝗬script and decide, how good they really are. So, continuing on. As we go through, you can scroll through here and you can choose what you want to keep and what you want to get rid of. And through that, you can then make your video sharp, crisp, and clean and allow it to be able to be uploaded onto YouTube. Now, of course, if you wish to be able to download this, you go and customize, or you can go generate video, and then you can just generate the video and download it to wherever you want to have it. Now, of course, like all these sort of things that need to be downloaded, they always take a bit of time. All right, guys, if you want to have a look at Pictory, I'll leave a link in the description down below, and you can have a good look at Pictory and decide on what you want to do with there. Now, another feature you might want to have a look at is being able to remove a word by having a look over here and removing one of the words here and seeing how it sounds. So you can actually remove a word if you wish to. So say, for example, you want to get rid of the word download. Not that I want to get rid of the word download, but just say you do. You can click on that, and then once you do, wait for this to wake up, there we go. You can then hit delete, and it'll remove that word from there. And once you've removed that word, you can then play it back, and it'll actually continue on the video without that word in the video. And if you decide you want to put it back, that's your choice as well. So let's just play this back and see what it's like.
These are all free, and you can just download them down here. You go here to download.
Okay, so it did allow the word download, so give me 1 second. Get rid of the word just, and delete that, and that'll remove it from the video itself. So over here, we'll restart again and try again and show you what that's like. Press play.
These are all free, and you can just them down here. You go here to download them.
Okay, so as you can see, it still said the word just, but maybe it just hasn't caught up yet. But it does remove it, and it allows you to be able to do that. It also removes, as I said before, you can remove the silence. You can also remove filler words if you wish to, and that makes your life so much easier. Okay.
Right, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Now over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like, and right here is an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.